down here then for recovery, where they're taken over here to a table where they're looked at for ear mites. If they have ear mites, they're treated with 1 dose of Milbamite for ear mites. Fleas, they're combed for fleas. If they have fleas, they're given Revolution. Their nails are cut, and they're just generally given a not so much of a physical, but more of a aesthetic look over, so that when we release the cats, it's part of our pet program, our pet enrichment program, that every animal that we touch, we try to enrich their life before we send them back. And the way that we can enrich their life is by getting rid of the fleas, getting rid of the ear mites, and getting them as comfortable as we can, because these are ferals, we'll probably never really trap them again. So once they're done at our pet enrichment center here, then they come over here, and our nurse Patty recovers them and watches them, monitors their heart rate, and just generally checks to make sure that they're all coming out of the anesthesia in a healthy way, and they're monitored, and the paperwork then is completed over here, and so that we have all of our records straight. And then once this is all finished, then the animals will lay comfortably here, probably 2 or 3 hours, and then caregivers will come back and pick them up, and they'll go home with the caregivers.
If we didn't have this program, there would be thousands, hundreds of thousands of cats suffering and starving. And that's why spay and neuter is so important. And this is an angel from heaven for us, because these animals are treated beautifully. They're cared for. They're spayed and neutered. They're given shots. They're treated with fleas. Their wounds are healed, and then they are put up for adoption or in managed colonies where they're kept safe, warm, and fed. And if this wasn't done, or it wasn't available to us, there would just be hundreds of thousands of cats out there being bred, starving, to suffer alone. That's basically it, right? Do you have anything to add, Maureen?
Just that it's a godsend for us, really. You don't know what
No, I've been working with cats for many, many years, and it's always a very expensive situation as far as neutering and spaying goes. And I've been friends with Kathy, and when she started this program, I thought it was a wonderful thing that she was doing. And I was aware of the program, and whenever we catch a feral cat, I get it over here. She has her neuter spay days.